we respect Buddha, then we have to respect Buddha's history. And we have to respect Sangha and Buddha's teaching. Still, many Sangha confuse where Buddha was born. India, Holy Land of the Buddha, and Buddhism come from India. We respect, and that's very true. But Buddha was born in Lumbini. We should know that. Earlier days, Lumbini is one of the Ganrajya. The Ganrajya means one of the small country that belongs not India, not Nepal. But this day, Lumbini in Nepal. So we shouldn't confuse where Buddha was born. At least we have to respect the birthplace of the Buddha. And still many, most venerable, they are also confused. I really request, if you respect Buddha, then at least you have to respect the history of the Buddha. So just I want to remind and I want to request, we shouldn't confuse where Buddha was born.